Okay guys, today we're going to do the upgraded cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. So grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. So we're going to start with a square about that size. And then inside this square, we're going to do a circle. And then inside that circle, we'll do another circle. That's going to be the main camera. And then on the edges, we're gonna just make this a thicker camera box. So we'll just do both sides and the top. And then coming right out of the top is gonna be a rectangle. And then we have the main camera done. Let's draw a couple lines down for the neck. All right, now to kind of upgrade him, we're gonna do two cameras on each side of him. Let me redo that one. I don't like that one. There we go. So two cameras that go on a little bit of a diagonal, do a circle on the inside of each one, and then a line that comes from each corner to the edge of the circle. And then do a rectangle that comes out of the top of that as well, with a little bit bigger one coming out of the bottom. All right, and then do the same thing on the left side. Just a square, a circle, lines that come in. And then we'll do a rectangle out of the top, the bottom, and a connecting line. All right, and then we're gonna do kind of a house shape that goes behind all the cameras. And this is kind of what's connecting them. Just like that. All right, now let's go ahead and do his shoulders. So I'm gonna start over here on the left, and I'm gonna curve up and over, and then down. All the way like that, big line. And then if you move to kind of the chest, we'll draw two kind of curved lines down like that to create the chest, and then curve out for his coat. All right, let's go ahead and go to the center of the chest. So we'll draw two lines down from the shoulders, and then a curved line just like that. And we're gonna do some spikes that kind of come in. And then we'll keep curving down, over and up on those. And then one more spike, like that. Then we just gotta do a circle in the middle. There's lots of circles in this drawing. Again, another one that's gonna create some thickness to our circle. And then let's go ahead and add an outer line as well to the center plate. And there, we got it. All right, last thing I'm gonna do is the inside kind of lapel of the jacket that curves down like that. And same on the other side. And then draw a line that goes straight across for the waist. And then we're gonna come down on each side of the inside of the jacket for his legs. And then on the inside, go straight up and then bring the legs together, just like that with the V shape. All right, and while I'm down here, I'm gonna do the boots. So I'll just draw a couple curved lines, and then we'll draw these kind of basic feet shape. Just like that. All right, last thing we don't want to forget is the back of his coat. So just draw a curved line that connects those 2 points. All right, I want to finish his arms because he looks a little bit odd. So on the right arm, we'll just curve in, create a little line there for the crease, and down. And then just do a little curve like that for his coat. And then his hands are always a little tough, but I'm gonna just do some really basic curved fingers like that. And let's do the same thing on the other side, but instead of having his arm go down, we'll have it come over. And that way he could be holding this axe. And with his hand, draw the thumb first that kind of comes down and is going to cover his fingers. And then we'll draw his fingers. Just like that. Alright. I'm going to bring a rectangle down like that for the bottom of the axe and back up the other side. So there we go. Now it looks like he's holding it. Let's do a rectangle on top here, then up, and then I'm going to do kind of a diamond shape. So go just like that. Maybe a line right through the middle and on the ends. All right, now the actual axe shape is kind of like an hourglass a little bit. So I'll do that with lines on each end, and that'll look good. The top's gonna have a square that comes out of it with another one. A lot of geometric shapes. And last of all, a camera that comes out the end of the axe. And you just do it just like that. Okay. Now let's draw the last little bit, which is going to be a couple more cameras. So on the left side, I'm going to draw another box. But then on the top, I've got to curve and put this kind of shade that goes over the top of the camera. And then another box for the face. And another box on the inside for the actual camera part. Alright. And then let's draw some more shapes, but let's do some cylinders off the top of this one. That looks good. Maybe some dots. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'll do a square. Let's do the shade. Square for the front. A square for the inside. And let's do cylinders. Some dots. Some lines. And this piece that comes down. Alright, last all, let's do the gun. And the gun's gonna come out over here into this kind of cool shape. Then draw like a house shape right in the middle there. We'll do a rectangle over here. And a couple cylinders. All right, so we're about done. Thanks a ton for watching. Hope you guys liked it. And I hope you guys will join me on the next video. And until then, have a great time drawing.